In today's video, I'm going to teach you use QuickBooks Online to create and track your invoices. By the end, you'll be comfortable building a clean, accurate invoice and knowing exactly where to find it later to see its status. We'll keep things simple and focus on what you need to click and what each part of the screen means, so everything makes sense as you go. To get started creating an invoice, look to the top left of your QuickBooks Online dashboard and click New. From the menu that appears, select Invoice. This opens your invoice form. Here's where you'll fill in all the important details. Choose your customer from the customer field, or create a new one if it isn't listed. Confirm the invoice date and due date so your timeline is clear. QuickBooks usually assigns an invoice number automatically, which helps you keep records tidy. Next, add your products or services. For each line, include a clear description, the quantity, the rate, and any taxes if they apply. As you type, you'll see the subtotal and total update automatically, which helps you catch mistakes early. If you need to provide context, like a brief note, a project reference, or a purchase order number, use the memo or message area so your customer knows exactly what they're paying for. Attachments, like a timesheet or a signed estimate, can also be added right from this page to keep everything in one place. Before you move on, scan the totals, verify the customer information, and make sure the dates and terms look right. A quick review now saves time later. When you're ready to keep tabs on your invoices, head over to the left navigation panel and click Sales. Then open the Invoices tab. This is your command center for tracking. You'll see a list of all your invoices along with helpful details such as the customer name, due date, balance, and status. Statuses like open, paid, or overdue make it easy to see what needs attention at a glance. Use the search bar or the filters at the top to narrow the list by customer, date range, or status, which is especially helpful if you manage a lot of invoices. From this view, you can quickly spot overdue items, confirm what's been paid, and keep your records organized. That's all there is to it. Click New and select Invoice to create, fill in the details carefully, then go to Sales and the Invoices tab to track everything in one place. Keep descriptions clear, double-check dates and totals, and you'll have a smooth invoicing workflow in QuickBooks Online.